Welcome to your brief introduction on what happens next, as well as a brief introduction to your system and how it will work on your home. Firstly, thank you from the team here in Activ8 for choosing us for your solar needs. The first thing we do is enter the details onto our management system, and your A8 number, provided on your order form, will be your point of reference. Now that we have your order in our system, we will start the administrative process of obtaining your grant approval. Within 1 week of placing your order, you will receive a call to help guide you through the actions needed from you to allow us progress your grant application. We look after the grant on your behalf, but we do need you to simply click a link on an email to get us started. We will also place you on the list for a full and final technical site survey. From here, your system type and size will be verified, and we will create the risk assessment and method statement bespoke for your home. With this information confirmed, we will create a pick list for all items needed to complete your installation in just 1 day. With both the grant administered and the survey now completed by us, we will then progress your system order towards installation. You will have been advised of installation timelines at point of sale. If there are any issues on the survey, we will contact you and walk you through next steps. If not, we will progress to installation, where we typically complete your installation in just 1 day. We do expect full payment on or before the day of installation, and will run through all the system workings at that point also. Your smart meter installation will be coordinated by ESB Networks. This process is instigated by our final commissioning of your system, where we submit an NC6 Form on your behalf to ESB Networks. ESB will then call you within 4 months to install your smart meter. Once again, thank you for choosing Activ8 Solar Energies.